What's up guys, it's Abby, and today I'm going to do a makeup tutorial, and it's going, sorry I thought I had to sneeze. It's going to be a Monster High Doll themed makeup tutorial, so I'm going to show you how to be look, that made sense. I'm going to be showing you how to do Clawdeen style, or I'm gonna do Clawdeen. I think I'm gonna do Clawdeen today, and I'll do Clawdeen some other time. So let's get started. So first, I'm gonna be taking some concealer and putting concealer under my eyes. And putting it, make a fish face. Like that. This is just how I kind of, like, I guess highlight and contour my face because I don't have the real thing. So this is kind of just what I do. And then I put some on my nose and on my chin. So that's what it should look like, and now you're just going to blend it all in with your finger. So that's what it looks like. Just gotta blend that in some more. Okay, now we're going to do some eyeshadow. So she has like purple eyeshadow on. So we are just going to be taking, I'm using the Little Black Beauty Book by e.l.f. and I'm going to be taking a purpley eyeshadow like this and putting that on my lid. So this is what it should look like. And now she has like, sorry I'm looking over at my poster, in her crease she does this thing where she has pink on like this side of her crease and blue on the other. So I'm going to be taking a pink color or something similar to pink. So basically like that. And putting that in one side of our crease. Kind of like right here. And this side, and do that same to the other. And then wipe your brush off, just wipe your brush off so you don't get them mixed up. Get a blue eyeshadow, like a bright blue, like that. And put that on the other side of the crease. I don't know if you can see that. It's on this side. Let me put more on. If you can see that. Now I'll do the other eye. Okay. Now she has like light purple in the brow bone. So I'm going to be taking a light purple, like that, and putting that on my brow bone. So that's what it looks like. Hair's in the way. Like that. And then she has glitter. So I have my Justice glitter palette, and I'm going to take a light purple glittery one, like this. That was just the brush. I don't really use the double-sided, like, I don't use these kinds of brushes, I use this brush. and just dab it in. Don't dig, just dab. And put that on the brow bone. Put it like on the corner of your brow bone, because she does that. She has like glitter on that corner. I don't want to dig into the palette, so that's why I'm kind of like doing kind of a lot of coats, so I don't dab it, like ruin it. So if you can see that, that's what it looks like. You can't really see it in my camera because my camera has terrible quality because it is my iPod, if you didn't know that. So I'm going to give you a quick close-up of that. By the way, that is the walker that I use because my knee hurts. This knee hurts, and it's been hurting for a year now, and I might have to get surgery on it, so yeah. Then we are going to put white eyeliner like under our eyes to give us bigger eyes. So yeah. So I have white eyeliner on under, like on my waterline, and yeah. So now I'm going to be taking the white eyeliner again and making fangs. Kind of failed, but it's okay. And, whoops. Now, she has purple down by her eyeliner. So, I'm going to use the crease part of the brush and take a very light purple. So, kind of like this. Hold on, it's upside down. This color. And put it under. Ouch. Okay, it got in my eye. Whoopsies. Okay, now time for mascara. So I'm just gonna get up for this one. So I'm using the Maybelline Mega Plush Volume Express Mascara, and I'm putting that on my top and bottom lashes. This is a mascara that best fits Clawdeen's like mascara look, because her eyelashes are big, like the biggest eyelashes out of all of the Monster High dolls. And now I'm not going to put her wig on because I don't have it, for one. And two, if I did, I didn't want to feel like putting it on. So her hairstyle, I'll do her hairstyle. This is what her makeup style looks like. Except for the lipstick, which I'm not going to do because she has like nude lips. And they're really cool. So just brush out your hair. I straightened my hair today for her look because she has pretty straight hair. Her bangs are down, so I'm going to leave her bangs. Her bangs are down in her hairstyle. Sorry, I'm scratching my leg. And then take a hair tie. You're going to take a hair tie. And you're going to put your hair in a ponytail, leaving the bangs down. If you have bangs, you leave one side down, not the other side. If you don't have bangs, just leave a piece of hair hanging. So wherever your bangs are, lift them up and brush your hair backward. Just brush that out because I just brushed that. and put your hair into a ponytail. It looks kind of weird because my bangs are down. But I just ruined that. Whatever. It doesn't matter if there's bumps. That's why I recommend getting her wig, but I don't have her wig. And plus, if I did, I wouldn't feel like putting it on, so. I don't care if there's bumps in my hair. There's always bumps in my hair when I put my hair in a ponytail, so it really doesn't matter. Don't mind my ugly hair today. I straightened it and now it doesn't want to work with me, so don't mind it. So that's her look, but she has her hair in a really high ponytail, so I want to put it in a high ponytail. Okay, and that is the look. That's what the look looks like. And now I'll show you Clawdeen Wolf. If I said Cleo and I said I was going to do Clawdeen, I'm sorry. Because I always call Clawdeen Cleo and I call Cleo Clawdeen. I get them mixed up so much, so. You can see I told you her pink and I'm blue. And yeah. Doesn't really look like she has eyeliner on. And there's her hair, see her bangs, and then in a high ponytail. Yeah, that's what it looks like. And I think that looks really cute. I like that hairstyle. And then I was going to do her look, but I can't do the eyeliner, and I don't have a jewel. But the rest is pretty self-explanatory. So yeah. So I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, if you did this look or not, and if you did, make sure to leave a video response if you can. I will try to look at the comments, but also, question of the video time. I'm going to do a question of the video every single video I do. The question of the video is, what do you collect? I actually have a lot of things that I collect. I'll tell you them. American Girl dolls, headbands, clips for my hair, and makeup and nail polish. I have 5 things that I collect. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, give it a thumbs up down there. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!